Bam! 340 millimeter update of the next set of tests. This is phase 2 with the legs, with the chains that are going to hold it down to the perfect height so it can raise at least an inch. And we'll see at what position the throttle response is. I wanted you to see kind of the flow rectification that I've kind of put in here. And all this stuff just snaps right off, so it's no big deal. The way I had it designed, it does block the bolt here if I need to remove the motor out, but that's not a big issue because in the next iteration for the main 4 engines for the drone, I'll just move that bolt hole over. You can see where my stator hub comes together with my exterior part of the stator and how I had to print everything. And you can see how it spins. It's just perfect. Now on the outside of this, I'm going to have holders basically for each one of the 10,000 milliamp packs that I have over there. So it'll be one on this side, one on this side, and then there'll be the ESC over here and the BEC and its power supply and the RX or the receiver here. And that's basically going to put all of the weight of all of the entire system on one engine and see how it responds as far as not only the weight, but the throttle position on when it lifts off. The chain, obviously, see, the engine's not that heavy, except a little difficult to move around because it's a little bit awkward, a little bit big, but basically everything will be mounted to the outside for the purposes of seeing how well the engine does as far as lifting all of the weight of the components necessary to drive it. Then these chains will be connected to these bolts here and down to the deck, which will give it about that much lift. So not too much. It will, like I said before, yaw and then straighten out. I'm hoping the flow rectification does help with a little bit of the yaw, but you still have the torque of the motor that you have to deal with. So moving forward, this is going to be the next phase of our tests right here. So I'm kind of excited about this one. I want to see how everything works, and it looks really, really, really good. So I'm excited about this test. We got that brand new Flip Sky motor in there, so we're good to go. And stick around because this next spin up is going to be great. I got some printing to do. Like I said, though, I'm going to get all the weight on it, just like I said for you guys, so we can see what that lifting capacity is and at what throttle position we have that hover capability. So stick around.